Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing something quite different than what I usually do. It's something that's very exciting, something I've worked really hard on. I made an app. I made a K-pop collecting app. It's like a social media app that's tailored towards K-pop fans, and also there is a collection aspect on there as well. So it is called K-Collect, and this is what the sign up screen looks like. It's so weird to have this like right here right now. It looks really bad on camera, so I'll be putting up like a screen recording next to the thing. So basically this is the like login screen, but I already have like an account, so I'm just gonna quickly log in. So this is the home screen. It won't look like this with the actual app. This is just before we have put all the feed in, because obviously we have no users, so there are no posts for the feed right now. But moving over, this is my profile, and it's got posts, which you can have like image posts. Well, this is text posts with backgrounds, and then image posts, which you can like choose images for. This is just how I style my account. You can also like go through to your profile and like change everything. And that is the profile. And then we just have our collections tab here, which is the most exciting thing about this app in my opinion. So the collections tab is here. This is our lists of the companies and K-pop companies and K-pop artists. So we have a really long list. And the artist is where everything is basically. We have like almost every artist that has ever debuted. So I've prepared like 4 artists specifically for this video. So there's Dreamcatcher, Blackpink, Luna and Red Velvet that I've prepared for like to show you guys. I'm gonna start with Red Velvet, and I'm gonna go through like the process of putting your collection in on the app. So I'm gonna be starting my Yeri collection on here, and this is Red Velvet. So going into Ice Cream Cake, this is what the album pages look like. You can see the little pluses. That's what like making a wish list and what's saying what you've got. But I'm gonna click on the photo card. This is everything, so you got like more from the set, like more Red Velvet albums. And I'm gonna say I have this, because I do. And then I'll come back out and it'll change that to a tick, because I've got it. And then moving down, I'm probably just gonna go to something with versions, so the River Festival. This is the different versions. So I'm gonna go into Yeri and say that I need it, even though I already got it. And then I'm gonna go into this one and say that I need this Yeri, that I have this Yeri. And then I'll go onto this one and say that I need it. And because I do actually need the Kino version, I'll go here and say that I need it. So, and then you come back onto your collections tab, refresh, and there's Red Velvet right there. And it'll tell you how complete you are in your collection. So this is all of the albums that I put on there. So this is the photo cards that I want from all of the albums. And that's just really cool, I think. And then I'll go into this one, I say I have it. And then everything updates. I update this. And then the percentage went up. And then these little numbers down here tell me how many photo cards I've got out of it. So then I'll go into another artist and choose Luna. Now this, I don't actually collect more than one member for Luna, but I'm gonna put more than one member on here. So this is Hash. I'm gonna say I want this Vivi and that I have this Heejin. And going across the other set, I'll say I need this Heejin and I have this Vivi. So then you come back onto the collections tab and whoopee, there's Luna. Then there'll be the both members here. So then I'll come on to Luna again, and then I'll like go into Vivi's profile. It's got both of her versions, and I'll say I need this. Come back, and then everything should update. And there's her solo album. It's all very exciting. It's something that I definitely have a lot of faith in, we've had a really overwhelming response on Instagram. It's really exciting. I can't believe I finally have this app right here on my phone. It's been such a long time coming as well. And obviously it's a lot of work. So I did prepare Blackpink as well. So here, like square up, we have the two different sets. The black and the pink version, as well as here. Tell you what, adding all of these images took way longer than it should have. Oh, they're all the same. But that is our app. There's so much stuff. There's so many things going on with it. And I'm really excited to share this to everyone. There's going to be a lot more things coming with the app in the future. Like we will be making a marketplace where you can trade, buy, sell and do group orders on there. We're going to put some scamming protection that we've developed ourselves on there as well to reduce scamming in the community. But I'm just really excited for this to come out to everyone. It's just really exciting. And obviously the profiles, they all look pretty cool. Now the app itself releases on Monday, June 15th, that's tomorrow, at 6 p.m. I'll put like some more information in the description. I'll put our Instagram and our Twitter, stuff like that, so you can keep up with updates. But that's pretty much everything I need to talk about with it. So thank you for watching.